So because the first extension is cancelled, I'm currently making a new collab level collabs right now. And here is the rule for this collab right now. And here's the sneak peek of the gameplay. Wait, I forgot to. So I'm just gonna skip this part because this whole is entirely just my part actually. And there's the whole level. Oh, also forgot the rules. I forgot one rule on this. This is actually just like a create contest right now. So if you want to join like the collab or join like the create contest, join the Discord in the description.